Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and oh my god, do I have some trash for you today. I couldn't help myself. After the first abomination that I showed here recently, I thought, you know what? I'm going to go back because I found that thing within the first 2 pages of Amazon after typing in fantasy knife. Oh my gosh. I will link this down in the description as well as the general search if you'd like to look for yourself. It's quite a trip. I found one of the, oh my god. Listen, I legitimately haven't opened this yet. This is one of the most visually offensive and confusing things that I have ever seen that has a blade on it. I'm really not into the idea of calling it a knife because it is barely, like, by definition, it is the furthest away. The only thing that's within the same universe as knife is the blade part. That is the only thing. Thanks so much to me for buying this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me and I guess allowing me to buy this. Appreciate that, patrons. And yeah, this, I don't recommend that you buy this. Don't. Go look. It's really funny. Don't buy it. It's horrendous. So what do we have here? Oh boy. What a treat for everyone. Yes. Instead of something practical and useful and ideally, you know, economic, we're going to look at the polar opposite of all of that. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's, it's not anywhere close to the size I thought it was going to be. Oh, guys. Am I going to get demonetized for this? Oh my gosh. The first thing that came into my mind was like, they're breaking a lot of traffic laws. This lady and this dragon really, they've got no respect for the road. No respect for the law. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what led up to this? Jeez. Is she a willing participant? Did she go with him? What? Do his claws get in the way of, like, shifting? Or, like, look how he's holding on there. It's just dragon chopper. Just living on the edge. Like, what? What's the theme? Oh my god. Okay, so more confusing is how do we open it? Oh, wait, I have an idea. Perhaps we use the knife-shaped. So stupid. Who is this brand? Vulcan Gear. Vulcan Gear. Yes. I mean, that took 1 second. This was two guys in a beat down, mostly dirt yard at a sun-baked, rusted out backyard table. 2 old lawn chairs, and they were like, "What do we call our thing?" He's like, "I don't know, Vulcan. Like, Vulcans are cool." And he's like, "Yeah, okay." This is so bad. It's so bad. Look at the detail. God, the craftsmanship. What's it made out of? Metal from something. They've highlighted her hair and her boots. That, or they just, like, they were driving and, like, the truck in front of them was like a ketchup truck. And then some of it fell out and it just, you know, splattered onto the bike or something. Wow. Really a lot of effort in the detail here. Probably cast. Let's get the blade out. Wow, that makes a lot of sense, guys. Classic. Jeez. Look at this grind. What did we use to grind this? It's like, did we put... The way that I see it, does it say stainless? Yeah, stainless is a big deal to these guys. Like, the fact that it's stainless, they're like, what can we say that's good about this composition? Well, it is stainless. Wow. I feel like somebody attached, like, a hand grinder to a sledgehammer and then blindfolded themselves and said, I sure hope the blade comes out nice. Just put it in a vise. Just put it in a vise and hold it steady. I'll get it. It might take me a few swings. Oh, man. Pre-rusted, that's cool. You get a you get a blade with a little bit of corrosion on it from the... Oh boy, guys. Guys, super special here. So it's got two really interesting elements. Number one, the blade is barely attached, which is, that's cool. Usually you have to pay extra for that. Also, the blade doesn't lock. Can we assist the lock? This is surely the lock, right? That's what this is supposed to be. Oh my God. It literally doesn't even, no, we got it. We got it. We're good. We got it. Here's what you have to do. You got to do the tactical rock back, right? So basically, when you go to open it up with your thumb, oh Lord, it feels like taking two hockey pucks with sand in between and just, have you ever washed your hands with the orange goop? Like the stuff, like on a construction site, you got crap all over your hands, and the only stuff that'll get it off is the orange stuff. I think they literally call it the orange stuff. Remember how that feels with the little beads? Yeah, that's what that feels like. That's what the action feels like. I hate to love this so much. So, the standard, God, have you ever wondered whether or not a dragon riding a motorcycle would be an ergonomic shape for a knife? Well, I'm happy to answer that, that question. The answer is no. It's actually atrocious. This is what's going into my hand? Honestly, I feel like I should apologize to Civivi because I always complain about their clips having too much of a bill, right? The Loch Ness Monster bill. How about the skull of a dragon being pressed into your palm? Whoa, what a perfect ergonomic shape. And what better to lock you in than two metal wheels? Good Lord. Who designed this? This is so bad. Oh, it's so bad. This is atrocious. So I really doubt there are washers in here. I bet this is just metal on metal. But when you open the blade, you would think, right, because we opened it and there is a liner lock, that it's locked out. No. Actually, what you have to do is pull back really hard, and then the lock slips into place. Wow. We have definitely up and down blade play and an incredible amount, like a hilarious amount of side to side. Boy, that's quality. Oh, guys, look. No, I'm wrong. There's no washers in there. There's no washers in there. That's nice that you can adjust it. They got a nice, what looks like a T8 there. Jeez. Look at this, huh? This bike has seen better days. But judging by the decisions that these two make, I can't say that I'm surprised that their bike is not in the best shape, right? Really, really intense. How do the wings not get caught in the wheels, right? And also, again, this is the wrong way to ride a bike. Let alone, I would not advise not wearing clothes while you're riding a bike. Certainly not on the lap of a dragon and backwards. And with the blade out the front. Living on the edge. Whoa, woo! This is the worst thing I've ever seen. This is the worst thing I've ever seen. I love doing this. How much was this? I think I paid $14. You guys will have to check. You'll have to check. $13 or $14 is what I paid for this. This is worth nothing. Does it cut? Number one, look at the grind here. Hold on. We have to actually lock this out to make sure that I don't cut myself with it. Is it sharp? No. Come on. Seriously, it's not sharp. Look at the edge. This is a spoon. This is spoon. Living on the edge. It's not sharp at all. I'm not joking. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Living on the edge. Without an edge. Come on. Wow, super sharp. Here. Literally just tearing the paper. Oh my God. Oh, terrible plunge grind. Yeah. Jeez. This is one of the most low effort. This is brand new, guys. Brand new. This is one of the... I thought the other one was bad. This is one of the most low effort things I've ever seen in my life. Wowzers. Okay. Dragon Motorcycle Naked Lady Blade. First impressions are, I think I would rather floss my eye sockets with barbed wire and hot sauce than continue looking at this for another second. Stay tuned for the full review. We have to learn a little bit about Vulcan gear, and I would love to find out what this blade is made out of. It is stainless. We do know that. So at least they didn't try to tell us it was designed by USA, right? Vulcan Gear Dragon Sit. I imagine some sort of sitting themed thing, and then motorcycle folding knife. Oh, excuse me. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Oh my God. So bad. But the joy this is bringing, it's such a strange emotion to hate something so much that the amount of joy that I experience is overwhelming. I know you guys can't see me, but I have the biggest smile on my face. This is a blast. I love practical knives. I love showcasing the good stuff, and I'll continue to do that. But there's magic here. This is real magic, okay? Man, I have no idea how to do the thumbnail. That's going to be it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.